Is GJ on the monthly time frame. Definitely bearish. This month it looks like we're going to close bearish. Nice rejection wick. Broke the previous low. So this week I would anticipate that we would close the month bearish. If we've broken lows, then I think we can say we're still bearish. There's a level here that we might be respecting. So I think this week what we could be looking for to give us a bullish bias is if the weekly closes bullish. Then the next week maybe we can anticipate a bottom wick and then coming up to retest highs, or a close below to come down to here. So that would set up for next week. But as far as this week, let's see what the daily is telling us. We got a lot of clean candles, at least on these bigger time frames. Clean candles here, clean candles there. 4 hour, this is where we can kind of see our range we're in. I think even on this, within this range we're in here, I think if we close below on the 4 hour, I think price will come down here to these lows. And then if we get another close below here, we can get a move down to 195.20. These clean candles here, the only thing I'd be worried about is this level here. But I think these clean candles can push down here. So I think the cleanest would be below this level and past these wicks. We got clean candles, at least on the 4 hour. Let's see the 1 hour. Oh yeah, we got a clean range. Can adjust this support. Okay, so the range becomes a bit smaller on here, just because then we have a new level, new area to watch out for here. 30-minute. I would say a close below here, because we've been really respecting this support. So I think once we close below, we can get a push at least to here, if not come all the way down here. And if we close below here, then we can take sells here. So this is an area we could look to take trades in. We have clean candles here. And for buys, I think on GJ I'm pretty bearish. Since unless candles start breaking highs, making supports to come up. But other than that, I'm bearish. But we can identify some clean ranges here. These candles are pretty clean. See what this range is. That's a 40-50 pip range. It's not bad. This is a little messy here, but we do have some clean candles here. Yeah, so there are some areas we can take buys, but we really want to see candles printing, forming bullish structure if we want to do that. So we want to see candles breaking previous highs. We want to see pullbacks to make support and then making new highs if we're going to switch our bias to bullish. Whenever you have a bias, it doesn't mean you can't take the other side of the bias. You just want to see things to where it makes sense. Because if we start, making new highs, then on the, say, the weekly time frame, even though we are bearish, doesn't mean this candle can close bullish and make support and flip our bias. Always got to be able to identify when you can flip your bias, because you're not always going to be originally right. You can realize you're wrong and then figure out what you can do to hop on the correct trend. Just because you think we're bullish, that's okay, but then when you start seeing things print in a way to where you no longer think we're bullish, then let's see how we can get in a bearish move.